Hey guys, I'm back with another video today. Today I am going to be showing you guys a MAC haul. So considering everything that I've been through this past couple months, I wanted to go ahead and pick myself up, give myself a little boost, and I went shopping at the MAC stores. I'm so excited. So I got this big bag from the MAC store here, and I'm going to go right into the haul. It is a lot of stuff from the MAC store, so definitely I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. The first thing that I got was the Patrick Star collection. I am in love with Patrick Star. If you guys don't watch him on YouTube, what are you waiting for? Go subscribe to him because he's amazing. He's bomb. Definitely. So yeah, this packaging is so gorgeous. Look how cute. And this is so Patrick Star. Patrick Star actually started out working at the MAC store, which was pretty amazing that he collaborated with MAC and they chose him to do that. I think that is really amazing, and I'm so excited for him, so congratulations, Patrick. And yeah, so I picked up a couple items from his line. I picked up these Patrick Star Goal Getter, the Goal Getter palette, and this is perfect for 2018. Just because it's a brand new year, and this is the colors that I chose to get, which I am so in love with this. So actually, let me see. So actually there's one foil and then there's 3 mattes in this palette. So there's soft brown, Swiss chocolate, amber lights, and I'm into it. And let me see if I can zoom in and show you guys. So this is what the palette looks like, and this is the foil right here, and these are the other three eyeshadows that I wanted to show you guys. I thought this palette was super cute, and definitely I wanted to pick this palette up. This packaging is to die for. I am like in love with the packaging. It does have his signature right in the middle on top of the palette. And then it's just like super high quality. I just love it. So I think that's a good purchase. The next thing I got from his line was one of the lip liners. And I got the lip liner in mahogany. This is like a nice red brick, like a red brick brownish liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it here for you guys. So that is the liner here, and this is called Mahogany, and I think the packaging on this is also really cute. It's different from the regular liners because this is a white package. This is a white package, and it does have his signature on the liner as well. So I also wanted to go ahead and get his translucent setting powder. So let me open it here for you guys. This is like opening like a Christmas gift. I think this is so pretty. Alright, so I did go ahead and get his translucent setting powder. His translucent setting powder is not white. It is actually like a cream, peachy type of translucent powder, but it works for all different skin tones, which I love. I think that is really great that he wanted to include everyone so that everyone can be able to try out his product. So I definitely wanted to get this because when I tried it in the MAC store, I was super in love with it, so I definitely have to get it. Now this is 1 ounce, which is a lot of products, which is a great buy for, I think it was $32 maybe. It is a little bit steep for this product, but it's gonna last you a long time. So yeah, and I use it just to set under my eyes, my nose, and also my T-zone area. That's what I use it for. So this is gonna last me a long time. So great job, Patrick. Alright, next item that I got from his collection is a lipstick. Of course, I had to definitely pick out his lipstick, and I got I just love his packaging. I think it's so cute. It's white and it has his signature on it, and they're so cute. They're like little bullets. But yeah, So yeah, I got the one in, this is a satin lipstick, and I got Mama Star. And this is like a great nude color right here. So perfect nude. And let me see if you guys can see without the glare. Sorry about that, guys. Wow. I didn't know it was a glare like that. So yeah, this is Mama Star right here. Let me see if you guys can see this way. Oh my god. This is like a pinky nude on me, so I think this is super cute and the perfect nude for me, so I got that one. Alright, the other thing that I got from his line was a lip gloss, or a lip glass. And his lip glass that I got, hold on one second. The lip glass that I got from his line is super cute. It's a nice nude, like a peachy nude, and this is also called Mama Star. And I just think it's so gorgeous. His packaging is so high quality, it makes no sense. So this is this product up here. So again, it is a nice, it doesn't feel sticky at all when you apply it. It does feel really smooth, and I like the feel of it. I also like the color of it as well. It's a nice, really pretty color. So this is it. So I'm gonna actually zoom in another way so that you guys can see. So these are the swatches here. The thing that I got from MAC was a couple more lipsticks. Let me see. So this one that I got is, I got the Viva Glam 3. I wanted to get this one. I just like I love the nude of it. I think it's so cute. This is like a deep, rich brown. Are they serious? Can you guys hear that? I swear, every time I record, somebody does something stupid. So this is Viva Glam 3. Look how pretty and rich that is. Super cute. I also picked up the Taraji P. Henson lip glass. And this is what I'm wearing on my lips today. So this lip glass here. This packaging, her packaging is beautiful. Her signature is in red, and the tip of it is red as well. I think that's so pretty. It's a nice gold lip gloss. Also from Taraji Henson's line, I picked up her matte lipstick, and this is called Viva Glam by Taraji P. Henson. And again, her packaging is red, super cute for her. And this is like a nice red color. So this is her matte lipstick, and I think it's so pretty. It looks pink on camera, but it is a nice, pretty pinkish red color. So I think that's so cute. So I also picked up a new shade as well. This one is so pretty to me. This is the color Lavender Jade. I think it's a beautiful, like a beautiful purple pink color. This is Lavender Jade. I just had to get it. When I seen it, I was like, oh my god, I fell in love with it. So I definitely had to pick this one up. So that's Lavender Jade. I also picked up the lip color of Rebel. Rebel is a nice reddish purple. So that is Rebel. I picked up a new Velvet Teddy, one of my absolute favorites. This is like the best nude ever. So this is Velvet Teddy right here. I also wanted to get a dark purple, so I wanted to pick up Cyber. I think Cyber is a beautiful color. So this right here is Cyber. I also picked up one of their Christmas collections. I picked up Ruby Roo. Ruby Woo. I always call it Roo. It's Ruby Roo. And this is like a really beautiful red. So this is Ruby Roo. Woo. So that is that color here. Super cute. Some of these items as well I got as Christmas gifts, which I'm so glad about it. I got a lot of donations during Christmas, which I'm super excited about and very thankful for. A lot of people have gave me gift cards, so I went to use my gift cards during Christmas time, and I got some great deals. This one here is a Heroin lipstick. Oh my god, one of my favorites. This is Heroin. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my god. And it's so pretty, like when you put it on your skin. I think it's so beautiful. So I definitely wanted to get me a new one of these. Alright, so I also picked up another lip gloss. This is one of their lip glosses. And this is in the color Spite. It's a nice taupey brown nude color. And I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. And this like blends in with my skin tone. I think it's so pretty. So I like to use this when I don't want to wear a lipstick, but I do want something nice and nude. So I picked this one up. Another lipstick that I picked up was, I got these on sale. These were actually, I think they were $8 a piece. It was on their MAC website around Christmas time. It was a really great sale. This is one of the Chromat collections. I picked this one up. The one that I got was in Shockwave, and it's like a really pretty, is this the blue one? I think this is a really pretty blue. This is like a bright blue color, so I picked this one up, and this is called Shockwave. Look how pretty that is. Super cute, isn't it? The next one I got it because of the packaging. The packaging is so pretty, and then the color of the packaging is actually Candy Yum Yum. So I wanted to get Candy Yum Yum, but I wanted to get it in this packaging. It is by Steve J and Yanni P. I think it's Steve J and Yanni P collection. So I picked this up, and this is what the packaging looks like. How cute is that? Super cute, right? Alright, so I'm sure you guys have seen Candy Yum Yum. It's a nice, really pretty bright pink. But I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. There it is. That is so pretty. Like, definitely pair it with the liner and it will be beautiful. Alright, and last two items here. I got two items from the James Calardios Palace, or Calardios collection. I think that's how you say his name. I probably butchered it, but yeah. The first one that I got is called Almondine. It's a really pretty red. And the next one I got is called Bloodstone. I think someone is playing with the door and it's freaking me out. The next one is called Nude. So this is blood. Oh, this is Almondine. Okay. So this is Almondine right here. Then this one is Bloodstone. A nice pretty red color. So that is all I got from the MAC store. I did pick up a foundation as well. The foundation I picked up that I use is this Studio. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, that's not all I got. I actually picked up a MAC. I also picked up a MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, a little mini version. So I picked this one up. I like to use that. And then the last item that I did get from MAC was a new foundation that I wanted to get because I use this all the time. This is their MAC Pro Longwear Foundation, and this is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. This is in the color NW45, so I did pick this one up. And yeah, so that's all I got from the MAC store. If you guys enjoyed this haul, please thumbs up this video, comment down below, hit the subscribe button as well, and push the little notification bell so that you'll get all of my videos. I have a ton of videos coming up for you guys, and let's leave my daughter's legacy alive. And yeah, so we love you, Jada and Kai. Blessings to you, and thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.